Hi, my name is Hava.
Hi, I'm Lindsay.
And today we're going to learn about the circulatory and respiratory system of a fetal pig. This is Little Will. Say hi, Little Will.
Hi.
This thin sheet of muscle is the diaphragm. It stretches above the abdominal cavity and separates it from the thoracic cavity. It moves up and down, changing air pressure in the chest cavity, causing air to move into and out of the lungs. This is the trachea, and this is the larynx, the top part of the trachea. It is the windpipe. The vocal cords are located inside of the larynx, and that produces sound for the animal and humans.
So here is the trachea, which is also called a windpipe. This is where air flows through the trachea to reach down to the lungs. This is the esophagus. It's part of the digestive system and it's located behind the trachea.
The trachea branches into each lung by two tubes called the bronchial tubes. These branch into smaller bronchioles that end with a grape-like cluster of alveoli air sacs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. This is Little Will's heart. It's usually surrounded by a pericardial sac which protects the heart while it beats. These are the coronary arteries. The coronary arteries is a set of arteries and veins which only job is to nourish the heart muscle.
The atria is the upper chambers of the heart. The ventricles is the bottom chambers. The atria pumps blood down into the ventricles while the ventricles pump blood throughout the body to the lungs. This is the inferior vena cava that carries blood from the posterior part of the body and empties it into the right atrium. Right there. In the heart, there are pulmonary arteries and veins. The pulmonary artery carries blood to the lungs, and the pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. The aorta is a large artery that transports blood from the left ventricle.
The circulatory system carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones and removes waste in the body through the bloodstream. The respiratory system gets oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide. In order for the circulatory system to carry oxygen throughout the body, the respiratory system needs to take in the oxygen and remove carbon dioxide.
Okay, so this is all, folks. So
I guess that's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Little Will.
Rest in peace.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.